under one umbrella that today we call the base.
Nabio, me catch them say new NDC foforo ebeba ontimi mfa atoro meye politics biem atoro politics ni de wo ho na bia de se be 20 years achi na mom NDC yankoba so mo beko election na omo nsete agenda emfama na agenda ebeba no embase on lies atoro da bi entine de base ya Ghana fo ehunu omo ebiti Ghana fo intelligent ti mu hwe ne yie ya papa no mu akuafo amo brenne e sofa and this new agenda abanyina ne se omo boa no ma create third party na atro omo bedi kire mu a omunim se mode ho abufuo beto aba atia omo no emma e wo se motoma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no ye create party foforo aba omo ni omo ti ase ni omo ankasa achidifo sa party supporters NDC full soldiers omo mfa mpuntuo na to aba aha on to aba because of say ne bass
abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwa aba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Under one umbrella that today we call the base.
Nabio, me catch them say new NDC foforo ebeba no ontimi mfa atoro meye politics biem atoro politics ni de wo ho na bia de se be 20 years achi na mom NDC yankoba so omo beko election na omo nsete agenda emfama na agenda ebeba no embase on lies atro da bi entine de base ya Ghana fo ehunu omo ebiti Ghana fo intelligent ti mu hwe ne yie ya papa no mu akuafo amo brenne e sofa NDC new agenda abanyina ne se omo boa no ma create third party na atro mu bedi kire mu a omunim se mode ho abufuo beto aba atia omo no emma e wo se motoma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no ye create party foforo aba omo ni omo ti ase ni omo ankasa achidifo sa party supporters NDC full soldiers omo mfa mpuntuo na to aba aha on to aba because of say ne bass tena ne mankanko ne badachi da bi on de onim ane se wasore na abatu aduru akwaje na ayi atonaba na Ghana fo a omunim dwam se mo no mo asetena mu na mo hweto aba obi anu wo hwe se ne babi benya adwuma abanda de etwa mu kokwa ya tu mu o mo fa atoro kwan so dada mo a mo makoma kodi wo mo ho amoto aba mo mo ene bo hye hu no mo hye mo ba kokura ni ho o matimi aye no mo saafo yi no mo create sa the base na abremo emma mo koto ne abufu o mo hye mo afe ba ko ne akire di konfie mienu enkwade anya o mu gidie se John Mahama se o the 24-hour economy ba ne ye berura ne tre shape to okrom ha no emma brunu mo munya interest wo mu no sa nkwada no ho party ne ye kikira ba no ti mesra mu Ghana mabunu sa mo mamani na ho Omunim sa party na eba no emere ne power mamo just say omu be divide emma mumu binum aye mo adwene enada ndisi aban dada mo na afa mu hunu wo moto na ba mo beto ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no botaye ni nyina ni the base ni ye de aba no ene yentua nkwada aye adwuma atichafo ka anesefo aye adwuma ene me wo mehwe TV na mehwe one of communicator wo atenka wasi what kind of John are you? Because o John foforo a edikan a wo baaye enkwada ye adwuma kurom ha emfie miensa ubetu omo bosom miensa katua John ya wasan bai enkwada ye adwuma afe ni abosom num ni yakire o baaye a bosom ba ko akatua na ade amomo wo no o John no John bai ene wo John Mahama enti mabu na munya akwa we mu gidie di atoro sesa nkrofo ni na mu dwom ni mu nkurase munya ne mu gidie to aba no ena wa hunu sesa nsem hunu no MDC aban hu so muntimi meka biem gidie betumi ane se ye invest sika o the base mun sisi headquarters ni ade ensesa mabunu mfa sika ma wo mo ni wo munya interest wo the base no yen mabunu ni de ye ni madwena de omutiru ono won to aba because of mpuntuo enkanko oman we nchekireye eno asa abatu aduru no akwaje ato ama NDC asa na emo mabunu no omoto aba based on policies ni ade no eno ni ye divide omu vote eno ano no bibia ni we wo biem ti the base the meaning of the base, you know, and it's a NDC agenda ebeboa divided Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na tumiama NDC ya take advantage bo she hunu ni nsemu ni nkwasi asem o mo ka kire Ghana fo no asan abedi wo mo so tumi next 4 years. That's the meaning of the base asa
mo ama wale no kura no wo yire woni ne ye no wa ye ni ye awado kwa ye tumi ti utum cause yes it has to be kana. Senya front door na wo pe baby fufuro bi akofa ye tumi ti utum ye mra no wo hodada nanso ye tena ho ma akoa bi a wa sese bi o sebe sogum boto a ensu ato aguso eye na better say shoulder pad ya de call he can tata show. You know, this LGBT thing, you know, and like the president is complicit. I can tell you on authority, the president is complicit. Make ensure you so many of what. Make a pram for the ensure the year ko bin fresh am ma yen. And na kocha pram. And mama sabi ya ni ameni na abolo we and ensure the year ko. Sa kwa sia ni to me set tie. Na onu abegina wo etintim sabi awrade nyankopon mebo no wo de mo behu say yen den ya omo ntina ba mu forever police na edi na chi no one day be free na Sam George de mi chi omo free aba bia me chi mebo no say we ya mema me nu na chi ya na edi esi mebo na papa na no ni na because our boy no this boy President Mahama any Andrew Solomon no mo koda mpa so unim de obeka aye de na Mahama e ka no se mu ye fia enne ye tumi aya ma ya dada ye ni na me na ya sofo ne ye himfu ni na NDC fu dada mo Ebra Mahama be di ade first no turumu asem ye ba yo e ba ye na die na sambol ka he sambol Edian Wakai. Or say, and Crawford face it day to day, you know, you'll be no be your damn dear family. Hobbying that was Sam George. And not to me, Sam George, and on by painting. Ya bet that I will say, Sam George, and the bill be bar, a better or ban or band to me now, and a bear money bearman to me now. A idea what that. Oh, and Brown is a to me. There are some George I can't say, Yemiamu. Now, instead of 6 months, I'll be quite them, yen 3 years. Mamma, Papa would hear me. The entire yen to me and science are building, say, and Quasia 4 way the coach must say, send me 2 way. Now, Madame for Freddie Hennessy. Ayan Crawford Nibia. Now, my mamma can't try by say, I quite way, Madame for. Now, you didn't true moi, as I said, Miss Wamachemeka home. I will bill now with the call, you know. That is one of the things that people didn't agree with. Sorry. Bill na ekono mo ye ne de ntia ankono omde koto court no na me tire mu nne no. For some of you amunim no, one of the main clause we woman say me akwasi apia mete compound house. Ye nipa 17 and ye te compound house. Me nim the asabi sister Agi oye woni dem. Na yakwachi Agi say Agi ni oba na eda. Yes, ye te fie ho ni na ye te obi nti nim say Agi ni oba na eda na ya mekanti yes so ye charge ye nka ho. Ema yes e de 1 month jail sentence. When e be penis ade no. It breaches on human rights. It breaches human rights. Nenso to me yes said that fresh I'm George emani be book to je hey radi yankopon oni sami okuja to abrokwa. You know the devil don't like good things, and so they're gonna face a lot of challenges. If I be a man of God, then I'm gonna make sure that this oil, as I anoint you, you'll be able to do all the job and all the exploit. So by Bakush, Parash, Bra, Pa, you are whole, go and work. Most house of food, sank. There be a higher crown. Sometimes they are a rolling, say, I say, move. So food we no muntin ka unya Rollins kakra nke ye when ya so far we ni ko jira firing squad o there be wo pe ayi ni bi ayi we say no mo ka no ayi truck ayi o there be truck kra de nye aboso kan ma twoi na wa tetere na aboto no we should form
conference no we spoke against it. And we are still speaking.
And Crawford will make it as if say, Nana Kufuadu are consigned be said, you are banu of Namissi, Captain Smart, and Namibe Kamo, Maria Yang fed that
person or Hodia, who crave Bible. Kauye Dia Nanke,
America for vice president
Nanke.
In honor of the relationship America and Ghana say, we decided to say, yeah, the two countries in the flag. Now, yeah, they are on nine. And this is what Captain Kwasiam Penny in the Cafe. On Macase, Nana Kufuado, Agya, Adentia, Kamala Harris, Obia, President, Diapasrobia, you will book be a Orokodu. Almost sign book. Captain Smart, but that Ghana for near TV or say, Sabiana no more sign, nay, LGBT, and a normal Diakaya.
LGBT
to make his case believable. Or someone say Captain Smart, and Miss Ameboa, Muncho, you do house and Kala over the year. And I said the American citizens of Wonderland before. No, fellow Ghanaians, where Jim Yo,
priority 2024. And then you better do 2026, the end priority view.
They are signing. I feel you for NDC people in Toncha. Nana do not your mind.
Then you better do 2026, the end priority view. And what can be say,
Peace FM.
Say, MPP to your sooner ye bay. Ye didn't know what a Jumas ye, Jumas ye, me patcho me be so. Ye na power ye beba. 2028 on about one eye cotono. And not from any year cofa. 2028 about one a kashi a call. And that from any year cofa. It is a yaya show you subine. Any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here. Me patcho me be so ya ready for power. Because ya ye NDC sika wo pumpigu wo campaign with 2024. Ne Ah, what magic go your friends go concession yenu. First all team said 2028 election you see kabe womu papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country no ye enjoy what biem. Ye frey na pa ho adaben de ye die wu ene ye giedra eno ne ye pe. Enti obi anyone wa ba ba dwene future. Obi timi ekogina adokno ne nkinam so to waba. Ade
But said, "O nyame kwan na ode ato ho no." So wo ye sofo na wo be ka no kura kire Ghana fo. Na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kura wei na mo kan. Na wo de ba be ye, wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo. Wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni